This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local entertainment news highlights. Entertainment Flashback in 60 seconds, this week's hot happenings. And check this out. Good afternoon, happy Love Week. I'm Yashika Graham and this is Entertainment 97. Heading local entertainment news, Shaggy copped another Super Bowl gig, being part of a major commercial that was aired during the event on Sunday. Reggae heavyweight Marcia Griffiths had her hit song Electric Boogie remixed into a 1-minute ad promoting popular car brand Jeep's electric models. The endorsement also included vocals from Jamaican singer Moyan. Shaggy expressed his delight in the opportunity to join forces in remaking the classic originally recorded in 1983. Jeep announced they will release footage of Marcia Griffiths and Shaggy recording the song on their social media pages. In international entertainment, viral songbird SZA has officially been named Billboard's 2023 Woman of the Year. The honor will be given at the Billboard Women in Music Awards, slated for March 1st at the YouTube Theater in Los Angeles. SZA joins the likes of Cardi B, Selena Gomez, Madonna, Lady Gaga, and others with this coveted award. And Louis Vuitton's chairman has announced that international singer-producer mogul Pharell has become the new men's creative director. His first collection with LV will be unveiled next June during Men's Fashion Week in Paris. Pharell is well known for being a fashion icon and has served the creative industry for over 20 years. In celebration of Love Week, this week's Entertainment Flashback in 60 seconds spends a little more time highlighting one of our iconic industry heavyweights, forever etched in time, Gregory Isaacs. As one of Jamaica's most beloved vocalists, he boasted an illustrious career that spanned over 30 years. From the initial days of lovers rock, a genre Gregory practically invented, to his talent reaching into the modern age. Gregory Isaacs was born in the Fletcher's Land area of Kingston on July 15, 1951. He made his way into the music business via the talent show circuit, a tried and true formula for many of Jamaica's budding singing stars. Byron Lee was the first in the industry to spot Isaacs' talent and brought him into the studio to record the duet Another Heartbreak, along with Winston Sinclair back in 1968. Sadly, it wasn't very rewarding, so Gregory decided to try his luck with a new vocal trio, the Concords. The Concords trio set up home at Rupie Edwards Success label, and over the next couple of years released a number of singles, including one with renowned producer Prince Buster. None truly caught the attention of the Jamaican public though, so it was back to the drawing board for Gregory as he continued to pursue his musical career. In 1970, the Concords ran their course, and Gregory struggled on alone as a solo artiste. Regardless of the poor track record, in 1973, he set up his own record store and label titled African Museum in partnership with Errol Dunkley. Dunkley was a young singer with a good run of hits, making a name for himself. Little did they know, destiny had stepped in, and for Gregory, Errol Dunkley may have been the lucky missing piece. Shortly after one of the label's first releases, Gregory's very own self-produced My Only Lover was an immediate hit. And that's where we pause for the flashback this week. Listen in next week, same time, same place, for another epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. In this week's Hot Happenings, this evening, DJ Edson will be juggling hits and faves at Car Park Car Wash in Kingston. It's gonna be a vibe, so do check it out. Make your way to the Haven, Hillcrest Avenue, Kingston, this Saturday, February 18. The Young Lion, Craig Ross, and Senor Daly will be juggling hits. Admission $1,000 before 10 p.m., start time 7 p.m. Retro Wednesdays next week is the place to be at Offshore Seafood Lounge, Consumer Plaza, Constant Spring Road. DJ Edson will be playing all your favorite tunes. And go indulge in the post-Valentine cruise on the harbor this Sunday, February 19. Venue is the B&D Trolling Pair, Kingston. $5,000 per ticket, meal included. Music by the Young Lion, Craig Ross. And go check out Autumn Leaves by Damian Jr. Gong Marley. It's the vibe for the week, mellow and introspective. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Yashika Graham. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Catch us again next Friday for your weekly dose of entertainment scoops with none other than Entertainment 97.